I'm Divakar Sharma and I'm a financial planning manager. Today, I wish to talk about 3 rules one should keep in mind for credit card usage. First is, one should avoid the dreaded minimum payment habit. One very common mistake credit card holders make these days is that they overspend from their credit cards, which first of all should not be done, and then pay only the minimum amount. Ideally, one should not spend more than 50% of the limit allotted to them. Paying the minimum amount is okay if you are doing it for a genuine reason, but one should never make it a practice. We do not see this in the short run, but it actually becomes a big liability for us going forward, as the total bill will multiply quickly. Second is, don't sign up for each and every credit card that comes your way. Well, these days, if you have a good credit score, getting a credit card is very easy. Your calls and your emails will be flooded with pre-approved credit card offers, but that doesn't mean you have to sign up for each and every one of them. First thing is that what one should do is assess, even if you need an extra card or not. If you really do, then you should scan very closely as to which bank is offering you the best benefits on their cards, like a lower interest rate, annual charges, late payment fee, the limit is one of the most important things, and any other charge if there is. The last and the most important point is never ever withdraw cash from your credit card. The moment you enter an ATM and withdraw cash from your credit card, how small the amount may be, you immediately lose the grace period of repayment. And the interest starts getting charged from the moment the cash comes out of the ATM, as it is considered as a cash advance, which is also higher as compared to making normal purchases when you just swipe your card. So one should keep in mind and avoid withdrawing cash unless and until it is very much necessary. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. Stay safe and happy investing.